Middle school times, I started liking science, mathematics, and physics, and then I realized that in the chemistry labs, you can produce colorful reactions. I grew up in Colombo, Sri Lanka, exactly half a world away. At the college, I studied mathematics and chemistry. Afterwards, I started liking chemistry a lot in terms of doing research. So then I decided to move to USA, where I got the chance to go to UCSB to pursue the PhD. What motivates me to expand my horizons was to interact with the Nobel laureates at UC Santa Barbara, because what they're always saying is you should learn, you should be an expert in a certain area, but at the same time you need to make sure that you expand everything in case if one plan doesn't work, you should be able to successful with a plan B, C, D. As a graduate student, while we teach a lab or a class as a teaching assistant, they videotape our lecture, so then you can get their critiques, feedback. They train you to be a good teacher. Sometimes you will have working students, some students are in between careers, some have kids. So what I do is in the first week, I talk to them individually. I ask exactly how much time they have to study in terms of when they have free time. So then I customize and paste the schedule. Since I have an extensive research background, one of the things I've been looking at Amarillo College is to initiate research and then get our students exposed to cutting edge technology. We could actually make them better scientists.